So, it's January 13th. We're back doing our annual pilgrimage to the Reipertswiller area. And I'm showing you the map right now. Map is oriented, and we are right where the tip of the pencil is there. There's a little, the trail comes into this little draw here and then goes back out again. And we're right in that draw just up from, it's just Hasental up there. It's a little open area. Reipertswiller is over here on the side, so we're just a little bit up from Reipertswiller, and we're going to be heading up towards the hills there, and you can see where I've made markings on it for the different locations and all. So we're going to be heading up there. Had to be real careful today about choosing where we were going to go, because there are hunters out in a lot of the valleys around here today. It seems to be like a big regional hunting day. So fortunately it looks like Spielbachthal here is not being hunted today, maybe tomorrow. But what so long introduction to that. But what I wanted to show you is a position. Again, it's here where the point of the pencil is. Along here we found we've known this has been here for a while. You can see the position here, and we think this is a position one because it's square. All right, and also if you can see here where the tree comes out, it looks like there's sort of an entrance to the position, and it's here on the north side of this ridge. And so we've been asking ourselves whether or not, you know, here in this area there's a whole wide area in here, and we've often thought, because there's some other positions there on the other side and up over this way as well, we've thought that this was maybe a U.S. assembly point for attempts to relieve the guys up on the hills up in north of Reipertswiller on the Hohe Ebersberg. But one other aspect that we're looking at this is, if you're trying to shelter from artillery that would be coming from the north, then this area here would be less ideal, if I can express it so that way, because it's on the north side of this ridge line here. And so whereas if you put a position on the other side there, then you would be on the reverse slope from where the artillery would be coming in, and then perhaps better protected. So we don't know if this position here is an American position or whether it's a German position, and until we do some more research, we're probably not going to know. All right, so maybe I'll take another video later on.